Okay, so next thing we've got to do is set up a GitHub account. So if we just go to the GitHub website, and first thing we've got to do is come up with a username, and most of the obvious ones are probably taken. Let's try KW. Oh, okay, that one's free. I wasn't expecting that to work so quickly. Then you've got to give them an email address. So I've got one that I made up earlier, and you've got to make up a password. So let's try that. Okay, verify your account. Please solve this puzzle so that we know you are a real person. Touch the arrows to roll the image. When the image is the correct way up, touch done. Right, I think that's the correct way up. Yeah. So I've proved I'm not a robot, which is quite reassuring. Okay, then it says, do you want the occasional products updated? No, I don't think so. So just click on select a plan. Okay, then we've got the choice of, do we want the free plan or the plan where we pay $7 a month? I think I know which one I'm going to go for. Choose free. Right, welcome to GitHub. Right, this is where they start wanting to know information about you. So for the purposes of this, I will say that I'm a student, and I'll be modest and say that I have a moderate amount of programming knowledge. What do I plan to use GitHub for? Let's say that, I guess. That as well, and that, and probably that. Oh, won't let me do that. Okay. I am in. Oh, I can't be bothered with that. Okay, complete setup. Right, then it says, please verify your email address. So if I get my email page up, right, I've just had an email which says that. So if I click on that button, okay, and I'm in. So then it says your email was verified. Would you like to create your first repository? Which at the moment I don't think I will. We'll leave that for now. But main point is that I have got a GitHub account, and in the usual sort of way, you can look at various settings and profile things over here, which you can sort of change. You can explore those easily enough. It's the usual sort of thing. But we don't need to worry about that at the moment. Okay, so for now I'm just going to sign out.